Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your Love Bite. These are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. Let's see what's going on here. And a big welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here with me once again. And if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, center of my spread is the Judgment card, and that too in reverse. I'll be honest with you, I've tried doing this reading about 3 times over now. Each time I've done it, there's been some noise, some chaos, just a feeling of unrest. So I think here somebody is needing to take back control, take back power of their own life here. No more giving second chances. Someone here feels that, they've been dealing with somebody who's been very... maybe very ungrounded, maybe just chasing money or, being a miser and putting material things in front of them. They feel this connection is kind of not working out. There's a big clarity on the fact that this, if I stay in this connection, it's going to backfire on me sooner or later. Somebody doesn't want to be in this stressful place any longer. I think they're calling judgment and saying, hey, this is over, this is ended, I don't want to go around, I don't want a second chance here. This is leaving somebody here very, very depressed, sad, feeling again, see the conflict is here again. 3 or 4 times I've started this reading, Taurus, but each time some kind of unrest or fighting or I don't know. But whoever's being left behind is feeling now rather rejected here, feeling angry, impatient, wanting another chance here. I don't know. Let's see, Taurus. Hopefully it'll work this time. I'm going to take some dialogue message cards to start your reading, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other. Thank you. And I'll take a few from here as well, Taurus. Taurus and their person. And a couple more from here, Taurus. All right. Good to go, Taurus. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel that I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. So somebody does want to now show up as the emperor to their empress. That's how they feel, and they want one more chance here. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. Maybe this empress is saying no, and this person who's been ungrounded all this while, they're getting triggered because I do see this frustration, this conflict, this fighting, this bad behavior, because they're feeling rejected now, right? Somebody is feeling sad and rejected. I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me, and whenever you do open up, you run and hide. When you do get in touch, you act as if nothing has happened and give me little to no explanation of why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel unappreciated and not valued by you. Maybe that's what they've been doing all along, and that's made their person feel, hey, I can't stay in this self-imposed prison of always wondering, always thinking, always being stressed out. I don't think I want to do this anymore. I want to call it quits. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul in a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. Maybe somebody is realizing these things, but a bit too late now. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. But they never told their partner ever. Now they want to say, I love everything about you. Forget that I never told you earlier. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. I need some time to collect my thoughts. I'm under so much stress. Okay, Taurus, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, move. It's time to move, Taurus. Bring some movement in your life. It's up to you to decide what you want to do with your life, right? This is your time. Time for movement. Keep your vibration up. Even if that means you're feeling low one day, Taurus, just get up and put some music on and dance or jog or spot walk or go for a walk, whatever. Just keep, that momentum going so that your vibration is always high. It really helps. It really, really helps. Okay, so let's start clarifying these cards. Seven of Swords, Spirit in reverse. Seven of Swords in reverse. Somebody wants to now, somebody feels they want a second chance here. They want to send that message that, like, hey, whatever's happening is happening wrong. I want to bring balance to this connection. Maybe because they're feeling that the way they were behaving in the past, that has totally backfired on them. Yes, they want somebody to return because they're afraid now they won't get a second chance. There's some clarity somebody has come to. What's this, Spirit? Somebody wants to have some direct conversation, straight talk regarding getting somebody to return back to them, because things have really become stagnant between the two of you. Somebody is looking for that talk. They want to heal things in this connection now, because now feeling very, very ungrounded and realizing who and what really makes them happy. They want to now bring healing back to this connection. They want to make things right. And they want to work on this connection once again. They're not happy that, things have not kind of fruitified in this connection. Now kind of, reflecting on who put in what investment, how much time was given, what was not done, what was done, why did it fail. So somebody really wants to now send that message and bring some harmony and peace back if possible. They're feeling very ungrounded at whatever's happening. Eight of Swords. I don't think the other person really wants this reconciliation. They're feeling quite happy, choosing themselves maybe. And they're trying to delay having this conversation as much as possible. They don't want to again go back to a place where they'll be stressed. Yes, this person doesn't want any more stress in their life. This card is clarified by the same card. Eight of Swords in reverse, Eight of Swords in reverse. I don't want to go back to thinking that way. I don't want to get stressed out. This communication, yes, it's only going to delay my own happiness, right? I don't think I'm ready for reconciliation or going back or anything. According to me, this is, I think, this King of Pentacles partner saying, I don't want a rebirth. I've already passed judgment on this connection. I've made my decision, I've made my choice, and I'm calling it quits. 10 of Swords in reverse. They feel that their partner is very immature, creates too much tension, too much trouble, has never given them any emotional happiness, in fact drained their love out to the last drop. Right? The Queen of Cups feels that I just kept giving and giving and giving, and this person only created conflict over conflict over conflict and creating chaos in my life, and I never really felt this emotional happiness, and I've always felt defeated by this person, and I don't think they are ready for this talk or reconciliation or to work on things. And that's the reason I think whoever's wanting to talk, this king is feeling rather low and depressed, getting very frustrated because things are coming to an end. Yes, things are ending. Things are totally stagnated here, Taurus, for them, and they're feeling very, very depressed. It's actually frustrating them. They're upset. They're angry that somebody's made a decision to go for a fresh new beginning, maybe for themselves. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Yes, I think this Queen of Pentacles or the Queen of Cups, the feminine energy here, I think, is manifesting a brand new, exciting new beginning for themselves. They don't want to go back to a place which is going to stress them out, where they've always felt unloved. They always felt ungrounded, never felt safe and secure in a connection. I think this is the person who's manifesting a brand new beginning for themselves. So yes, I think somebody is on the move here, and the other person is somehow trying to stop them by any means possible, whether it means having another fight, whether it means having another conversation, by saying, hey, I'll work on this, by making promises, whatever. Somebody is trying to halt somebody else from moving in. The person who's never felt loved or never felt respected in this connection is trying to be stopped from going on to their new beginning. That's what I feel. But my angels are saying, keep moving, keep moving. It's your time. One more card I want for this person who's moving ahead, Spirit, whether it's Taurus or the partner. One more card. Yeah, Spirit saying this connection has kind of done its time now. There are too many bad memories which have been created. It's no point, because it's only going to lead to unhappiness. Yes, whatever this person is going to be saying could probably be all lies. So be a bit mindful of that, right? Create a little bit of fog, create confusion. But that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.